Hello YouTube, today I will be doing an unboxing and review of the Nerf Mega Magnus End Strike. Not the End Strike Elite Series. Actually, yes. Sorry, it is the End Strike Elite Series, as you can see right there. Right there. So, yeah, as usual, the Mega boxes always have the Mega sign on the front and back. It has a little diagram of the Mega Centurion, and supposedly it shoots up to 85 feet to the Mega, what does that say? Mega Features chart right there, Mega Features. So, yeah, let's crack this baby open. So, I'm just going to use my box opener, box cutter. Actually, I think I'm just going to there's two little tape lines right here. Just cut that. Alrighty, and then I think I'll do a range test, or maybe I'll just make a different video for it. The range test, I'll just show you my point of view of this gun and stuff. Alright, so now that that's just to open it. Okay, so you still have to, actually, there's this right here. I'm just going to cut all these little tape lines right off. So, 1, 2, 3. I got all of them, I think. I hope. I'm not sure. Nope, I don't think so. Oh, that's why, because okay. So let's just. Alright, so I'm still gonna have to use my box cutter to cut these out. Oh shit. Shizzle, crap, cat, whatever. Whoopsies. Okay, that was difficult. Trying as hard as I can not to cut the gun or anything. Not to engrave it at all. Sorry, these are very durable right now. It's annoying the hell out of me. Okay. Sorry, the camera keeps falling. It's just on a very slippery type of wood, and my phone does not have a case on it right now. So right now I've got the gun out. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. I've been waiting to get this gun for so long, and it's so light. So to cock it back, you just take this right up here, and the little magazine clipper is right here. So now I'm going to take out the darts, which should be easier to get out. Got it. And then got these out. Then these stupid directions that no one uses. Like, really, it's just a plastic gun. I don't think we need directions on how to use it, unless it's like an electrical gun, which we still don't even need it. So, just put those in like that. Loaded it. It's all cocked and loaded. Shoot in my hand. Oh my god, that hurts a little bit. That stings. So, here, I'll just shoot these out. Got it. Alright, so it comes with 3 bullets, but I happen to have the Mega Centurion, so I bought extras for my Mega Centurion a while ago when I bought it. Let me shut this, be cautious. And never mind, because this one is weird as fudge and does not shut. So, oh, there it goes again. I'm so sorry about how many times this has slipped. So, yeah, it's Mega Magnus, the big Mega in white, the little Nerf symbol right there. the magnus sign. It does not have a barrel attachment, which is really annoying because I really wanted one on it. I really wanted like a barrel attachment on it, so I could just bang, clip it right on. So yeah, it's got one tactical rail on the bottom right here, and then it's got a little iron / plastic sight right here. Goes like zoop, bang. So if you look through it, you can see it. And then you load it. You just pull this back, go like that. And then to actually load it, I would put the tip in first, giggity, as Coop772 likes to say, because it's the easiest to put in, just like that. And then you just load it, pull it up, bang, and now your Mega Magnus pistol is already loaded. And if you want, you can put your extras, if you have them, right in your pocket, just like that. So, fell again. I'm so sorry about that. And look, just pull them out. I have 5 right there, and then plus the ones that come with it, and then plus the ones that are in my Mega Centurion right now, which I did do a review, just not an unboxing. Yeah, I did a review for it, not an unboxing though. Alright, so now I have 8 Mega Darts right here. Just like that. 8. And then, like I said, I showed you how to load it and stuff. So yeah, that is the unboxing and review of the Mega Centurion. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks, bye.